Everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the third problem, that is a pentagonal base that is having an edge of 25 mm and the axis height is 60 and it is resting on one of its base edges. Okay, it is resting on one of its base edges on the ground such that the highest base corner is 20 mm above the ground. Okay, its axis is parallel to the wall. Okay, and draw its top, front and isometric views. First we will start working on this problem. For this you have to switch to AutoCAD, select drawing. Then after this you have to select the 3D modeling, set the units, make it to millimeters and the precision to 0. Click on international units for lighting. Then this is how your environment look when you just switch it like this. So switch to the top view. So it is very clearly given in the problem that the pentagonal pyramid, okay, in order to make the pentagonal pyramid, go to home and we have to just find out what is the orientation. In order to find what is the orientation, just have a look. Its axis is parallel to the wall. That means it is resting on its axis which is perpendicular to the floor. So in the top view you can visualize what is the base of the thing. Okay, in order to make this pyramid, first click on this box option. You can get pyramid. After that it will ask you what is the sides. Okay, since it is pentagonal, select 5, give an enter, and it will ask for what is the edge. Okay, the edge is very clearly given, which is 25 mm. Okay, select any point and make sure the edge is 25 mm. And its axis height is very clearly mentioned, it is 60 mm. Okay, make sure it is 60 mm. Okay, so this is how it look like when you have made this. Okay, move it to any appropriate position in order to start drawing what is its orientation, right? And then you choose 2D. You make sure that it is in the 2D frame only, because you will be looking after its base edge which is at a height of 20 mm above the ground. Okay, so this is how it looks in the top view, and let us have a look how it is looking in the front view. So the front view would look something like this. In the problem it is very clearly given that it is located at a height of, so assuming this as the base corner, okay, which is located at a height of 20 mm. Okay, for this you draw a reference line from this point. Okay, draw a reference line from this point and make sure the height of this is 20 mm. Okay, so the height of this is 20 mm. Make sure you just make this, so the height is 20 mm. Just have a look. So you just measure it if you have any issues in looking after this. So this is 20 mm. Okay, then what you have to do is you draw a circle. Okay, since the base is located at a height of 20, if you are just drawing this line it would create a problem. Don't do this. So you can straight away draw this line from the base corner. Okay, so go to home, then select what is the height. So from this point you have to draw a height of 20 mm. Okay, and after that you just try to extend this line to some location. Okay, in order to get a reference. This is only for reference, there is no dimension for it. With this base corner as a center, you draw a circle of this length, this particular length. I will just show you. So go to circle, select radius method, preferably select this as the corner, and then you just select this radius, this corner radius. Okay, so this line, it is touching at this point. Okay, line that is touching at this point. Then you use a rotate command, select this object. Okay, give an enter. So what is the base point? This is the base point and it has to be rotated till. So use the command rotate, give an enter, select this object, give an enter, select from this corner till this corner you have to select, and then just a second. So use rotate command, select this object, enter. You have to select the base point from this point till this, and then you have to make sure that whatever the line that is touching this particular point, okay, it has to be apparently at that position. So give an enter. So that has been moved. Okay, now you can delete all these constructive lines which are used for making this figure, and you can straight away start working on the layout. Shades of gray, this is how it looks. So in the top view, I mean the orientation would be something like this. Okay, then so go to view. Before that you have to set the first angle projection, that is view standard. Go to first angle projection. Just have a look of the question that is given. It is given that top and front view is enough, no need for the side view. Okay, so view, base, model from space, select this object, give an enter. That is question number 3, give an enter. Select your page layout as per your requirement. So I can select anywhere, okay, because it's no view related to the side view is asked. So click on this space, give an enter, followed by the top view, then the isometric, give an enter. So this is how it looks like. How to make the distance that is being located at a height of 20. Okay, for this you have to draw a reference line from this thing. Make sure the ortho is on in order to avoid any problem. Okay, so what and all things you can measure in the front view. You cannot measure the exact length of the thing, okay, but still we will try to figure out what and all things we can annotate here. So click on annotation. So first you just select align dimension. First you make what is the apex height. Linear dimension, I'll try to figure out what is the center point. Okay, this is the center point, have a look. So this is somewhere here, you will get a center point on the line, you can find out. But this is not the exact height. Make sure the height is properly measured using align dimension. Okay, this is not the exact height, this is like apparent length, this is not the true length. Okay, this you can measure if you want, or else you can skip it. But the essential thing, that is very important thing, that is given in the question, which is what is the height. Okay, what is the height? For this you just go for linear dimensioning, select this tip to this tip, it should be 20. Okay, so the units has to be made very proper, else you will get some issues like this. Okay, make sure the units are clear. Thank you, thanks for watching.